decide.
Check your numbers. We still have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 on the board, so come check it out. We added a few. These guys still about to have to
Good, thank you.
In it, changed the oil and serviced it. All brand new bushings under the whole car.
Nice.
Brand new.
That's what I did to mine.
Coilovers in the back.
Nice.
All brand new fuel lines. Everything's done the way I want.
Yeah, full frame off. Yeah.
So I just found a 30 sedan, and me and my girlfriend want to drive a little bit further. I want to go to Orange County and show it. I want to do some other things. I want to be able to jump in and go to Havasu.
Oh yeah, that'd be great. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So this is not practical anymore. It was when I was single.
Yeah.
But now that I got a girl, both of us won't fit in that fucking
Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah.
You know? I mean, if I was his size, I'd probably fit in it a lot better. I could breathe.
Yeah.
Hold my fucking breath. That's why I don't go too far. I can't hold my breath that long.
Exactly. Like. Yeah, that makes sense.
So,
Yeah.
What are you asking for?
I had it up for 42, and I haven't been to Cholo car, airbag, and a bunch of stuff done to it.
Nice.
I'm working on a 76 Corvette. I took the diaphragms out for the headlights.
Okay.
It's all electric now. I just pulled the whole front end out from underneath it. We're powder coating it, cleaning it up.
So they do full restorations.
Yeah. And
Okay.
they do a lot of insurance stuff that comes through.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm surprised I haven't heard about them.
Yeah, Sam over there is, I've been over there for a couple of months because he's seen this. That's where I was going and buying my parts.
Oh, okay.
And he's seen this, and I told him, I'm thinking about going back to work. I'm getting bored fucking sitting around the house.
Yeah.
And he goes, why don't you come to work for me? And I went, doing what? He said, I seen your hot rod, man. He said, you know what you're doing. So
Yeah.
I need somebody that knows what they're doing.
Nice, nice.
So I go over there and fucking fart around.
Nothing wrong with that. Doing something you enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Body shop?
Hey.
It's a body paint,
Okay. What's the name of the place?
old school hot rods.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. Did he paint this one or you?
No, this was painted when I bought it.
Oh, okay.
The guy had 30 or 35 cars in Rancho Cucamonga
Oh,
in a
okay.
warehouse.
Okay,
And he
okay.
had a mechanic.
Okay.
A mechanic.
1929. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
And if you ever need stuff work done, you know where old school hot rods is off of Main?
No.
This thing, you can drive it all the time.
Yeah, a 63 Impala, so.
Oh, okay.
Nice. What size engine?
302.
302. Okay. Any other modifications to it?
A lot of those. It was a 283.
Oh, okay, okay. So you poured it out?
Yeah.
Okay. And what year is this truck?
65.
65. Okay.
That's the original block.
Okay.
It's been highly modified.
Nice.
Good runner.
Yeah, that's nice.
Not a race either.
There she was, just walking down the street.
to get them straight.
That's the new engine put in there, right?
I almost tripped over myself. 1967 El Camino. Just happened to be driving down Bear Valley, seen this car show, grabbed my camera real quick to take some footage. Clean El Camino.